Hey traders, we've just dropped 12 premium signals, including both long and short setups. Get access for just $10 per month and enjoy 25% off your first month. This gives you the chance to test the signals, check their accuracy, and see the results for yourself. If you're happy with the performance, you can upgrade to one of our other plans anytime. Join us today. You'll find the link in the description and the comment box below. Thank you so much for your support. Disclaimer: always do your own research before trading. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.